Unlock your TikTok earnings right here in Nepal with this simple guide. First things first, ensure you have both a TikTok account with available earnings and a verified Esewa account. On your TikTok app, locate your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines to open the menu, and then select Creator Tools or Balance to view your earnings. Here, you'll find your total earnings. Look for the withdrawal option, usually a button or a text link, and tap on it. TikTok offers various withdrawal methods for Nepali users. Esewa is a convenient and prominent option. Select Esewa as your preferred withdrawal method. Now, you'll need to link your Esewa account. Enter your registered Esewa mobile number. You might also be prompted to enter a verification code sent to your phone for security. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your TikTok earnings. Double-check the amount to avoid any errors, and then tap the confirmation button. Once confirmed, your withdrawal request will be processed. Please note that it might take a few business days for the funds to reflect in your Esewa account. And there you have it. Your TikTok earnings are now safely transferred to your Esewa wallet, ready for you to use. Easy, secure, and all within Nepal. Happy earning and spending.